Hey there, so in the last exercise we worked on this image, right? We worked on this image, we got our camera raw image and we made some incredible adjustments to our image, okay? So starting from the camera raw plugin, we went from there on to bring in our image into Photoshop, making incredible adjustments, doing frequency separation, dodging and burning, and so many things, okay, that made our image stand out. And we even have the before and after. So let me just go to the folder and now let's look at the before and after. Now this is what we achieved and this is what we had before. So you can see the incredible difference, right? This is what we had before and this is what we achieved. Perfect. Before, after, before, after. That's the incredible power of Photoshop. Now in this homework, I want you to do very similar to what I have done. Okay, so just go ahead and open your folder, and in your folder you're going to see the second image. Now this is the image 9072. So select the image and bring it into Photoshop. It's also a camera raw image. Now you are going to make adjustments to this image just like we did in the previous video. Okay, so basically that's it for the homework, and I would love to see what you come up with. Kindly share your results with me. I'll be excited to see what you achieve. Okay, so that's it for this one, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.